This is a drone. To be exact, this is the DJI Mini 2. And it's a lot more capable than you could ever imagine. Taking the time to learn the controls of this drone allows you to unlock full flying potential. Once you feel comfortable with it, and you know how to fly it backwards, forwards, sideways, downwards, in strong winds, in sports mode like I'm doing here, with a bit of a reverse and tilt up at the same time, then you're golden. And this isn't hard. It just takes a bit of time. Find an open space, get your drone out, and start flying. Start practicing. And you're gonna have beautiful cinematic footage before you even know it.